In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and self-sign a document in Docusign. Whether you're managing agreements or simply looking to digitally sign a document quickly and efficiently, Docusign provides a seamless experience. Let's dive right into the process and guide you through each step. First, we'll head over to the official Docusign website. It's renowned as the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you'll be in good hands. Once there, the next step is to click on the login option, which is typically found on the top right corner of the home page. By doing this, you'll be directed to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're already logged in, that's great. It will save you a bit of time. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the Docusign home page. This is your starting point for a variety of tasks related to document signing and management. Here you will find several options, but our focus today is on uploading and signing a document. Look for the Start button, which is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Clicking on Start will initiate the process of preparing a document for signing. Once you click Start, you're brought to a page with several options. We're interested in the Upload button here. Selecting this option will allow you to upload the document you wish to sign from your device, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another supported file type. Ensure you have it ready to go. After the document is uploaded, a window will appear prompting you to choose who will be signing this document. Since we're focusing on self-signing today, you'll want to click the option that says I'm the only signer. This tells the system that you are handling this signing process yourself without requiring any additional signatures from others. It's a straightforward way to streamline personal document handling tasks. By following these steps, you're now set up to proceed with customizing your document for signing. You can easily drag and drop your desired fields like signature or date into the document before saving and completing the process. This intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to prepare documents effectively. To wrap things up, you have successfully uploaded and begun the process of self-signing a document using Docusign. It's a powerful tool that makes document management stress-free so you can focus on the aspects of your business that matter most. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and empowers you to use Docusign with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for any other digital document needs you might have.